Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing right now because we're gonna put out a lot of video on how much those famous YouTubers make per month. And today we're gonna start out with Cong TV. Let's look him up. Cong TV. Bada bing. He is right there. Alright, select that. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bum, right there. Okay, he is A minus, so he's projecting to make 10,000 to 172,000 per month. Okay, guys, we're gonna look at per month, and then what we're gonna do, how to calculate that to see where he at. He's somewhere always in the middle. Okay, the YouTuber is always somewhere in the middle. But if you want to be specific, we're gonna pull up the calculator right here, right in front of you. Okay, let's put it right here. So 43 million. All right, 2, 3. That's 43 million. You're gonna divide that, okay, to 1,000, because that's the RPM. Okay, I'll show you what the RPM. Let me pull up my. Hold on. Right here, the RPM that's 1,000 views. That's how much I get paid on this channel. Alright, that's why I divide it. Okay. That's why I divide to 1,000. 43 million divided at 1,000. So he got this 43,000 times. Let's just say he don't make $3. He make only 2. So that's how much he make per month. $86,000. Okay, dollars. So if you want to know that in peso, so you multiply that by 50 peso. Because $1 per 50 peso. Alright? So he makes 4,300,000 per month in pesos. Alright? So that's how much Cong TV makes. Is he payaman? For sure he is payaman. He is rich. He is on top 1% of YouTuber in the Philippines right now. He is hot. This guy's putting out content and people watch it in a heartbeat. His videos out only for 1 hour. He already got like 100,000 views in 1 hour. 2 hours, 500,000. So this guy is the real deal, Cong TV. I'm a fan of Cong TV. I like him so much. And there you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, because I'm going to put out a lot of video on how much these YouTubers make per month. See you guys later.